Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you this beautiful mobile tab navigation which I'll be creating. You can see that whenever you click on different buttons you can see different images. All the mobile apps mostly have this kind of animation. The Facebook also have this. I will create this in index.html, style.css and JavaScript basically. Now I will first connect my font awesome with it. To use the icons you can click on start for free. You can type your email here, and when you click on send kit code you will receive this link on your email and you can paste it here. Now let's start with the div of class contain phone. Inside the div of class phone we will create image. Images, I have image source. I basically have already copied 4 links. I will just cut and paste them here, give an alternate of home and also give it a class of content active, content show. Now I will do the same for the remaining 3 images. Just cut the link and paste it here. You can add any images you want. Give an alternate of work, class of content only without show, because whenever we reload the page only first image should show appear. Now doing the same for the third one as well. Alternate of blog, class of content, image source, copying the 4th link, cut it and paste it, adding an alternate of about us or about, class of content again. Now we are done with our 4 images. We will just simply create the nav bar, basically in mobile tab navigation below 4 buttons, and we will start with the li list of class active, and inside that we will type, basically I will show you. Maybe you can see when we click on, we go to font awesome and we search home, and we search home, we just simply open the first one, we click on it, copied and paste, and adding a paragraph of home. Now doing almost the same thing but without the active, and I will type box. I will simply open it, copy it and paste it, adding a paragraph of work, creating the third li, typing book open, click on the link and just click it, copy it, paste it, adding a paragraph. It should be blog, and the last one should be users. When you click on users you can copy this link, paste it, add a paragraph about us. Now basically I am done with this. I am almost done with my index.html. I will open the project. You can see I am not getting the 4th image. So let's copy any image and paste it. Let me see. Okay, I'll copy the first one and paste it in the second as well, because I think there is some problem with the link. I pasted it. One second, let me save it. Just aligning it. I'm not getting my second image. Oh, I've written source spelling wrong. So now I'm getting all my 4 images. Let's style our project, and for the initial give a box sizing of border box. For the body give it a background color of #222457. Font family should be any. Just simply add any font family. Display of flex. Align items should be center. Justify content should be center. Height should be 100 VH. Margin should be 0, like this. Now you can see I have the class of phone, so let's use that. And for the phone give it a position of relative. Overflow should be hidden. Border should be 3 pixels solid and whitish color. Give it a border radius of 15 pixels. Height should be 600 pixel. Width should be 340 pixel. For everything you can see I'm getting the shape. but you are not able to see all the images. You are only viewing first image because it has content show class. But we will fix it. Now let's go to the phone content and give an opacity of 0. Object fit should be cover. Position should be absolute. Top should be 0. Left should be 0 as well. Height should be calculate 100% minus 60 pixels for my 4 buttons or 4 tab navigation buttons. Width should be 100%. Transition should have the opacity of 0.4 second and ease. But now I'm getting my 4 buttons, but I am not able to see my images. I will fix that as well. I will click on content show. You can see the first class. Basically first class has content show, other are only content. Give it an opacity of 1. Now nav, for the nav bar, give a position of absolute. Bottom should be 0. Left should be 0. Margin top should be minus 5 pixels. Width should be 100%, like this. Now for the unordered list, I will give it a background color of white. Display should be flex. List style should be none. Padding should be 0. Margin should be 0. Height should be 60 pixels, like this. Now let's start with our list, nav of list. Color should be #64264661A2. Cursor should be pointer. Flex should be 1. Padding should be 10 pixels. Text align should be center. Now I am getting, but it's almost done. Now let's use the nav unordered list and paragraph and give it a font size of 12 pixels. Margin should be 2 pixels, 0. Nav unordered list hover whenever you hover over it, and nav unordered list of active whenever anyone is active. Give it a color of #222457. So if home is active or anyone is active, you can see that home has a different color and other has a lightish color. Now we are done with the styling. Let's start with the script.js. Let's take all the variables first. Content document.query selector all. Taking content. Taking another variable of list items. Document dot query selector all, nav unordered list and li, taking basically all the li's. Const should be hide all contents, creating an arrow function. Contents dot for each item, creating another arrow function and passing item to it, and or maybe typing content dot class list dot remove show. You can see that if it has show whenever to show the my tab navigation. I need to remove it. Hide all items and hide content as well. Now for the hide item, list item should for each again, almost doing the same logic. Item dot class list dot remove. This time remove active. You can see that it has an active class. Now list items dot for each item and index, passing item and index to it. Item dot add event listener, click, comma, creating an arrow function. Hide all item, hide all content basically, and hide all items basically whenever we click on any button. And then class list dot add basically, now add the new one basically active, and contents dot index, basically index, and class list dot add show, basically show the new one. Now you can see whenever I click it, everything changes. And I have achieved what I really wanted. I hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.